This is essentially what happens after LB's been washed and he's been semi-dried. Goes absolutely haywire. LB! No, don't pick on your brother. Wait, LB, be nice to your brother. He is an absolute nutter. What are you doing, you goober? Okay. He's Boof. Boof! Hey, say hello. Yo. You done yet? No? It's, whoa. It's one long pee, dog. You gonna eat now, huh? They hardly eat their dry food. And they mainly leave it for the birds. Which is great. Especially if you got stuff online. Get bird crap all over everything. Anyway, that's a slightly toned down version of what happens when we bath LB. So, yeah. Thought it'd be a good laugh. Anyway, bye guys.